Now for the junk playground at Clydesdale Road in Kensington. One of the latest experiments of adventure playgrounds in this country. It used to be a bombed site crowded with children who came uninvited to play amongst the rubbish and the rubble. Such a place was obviously what they wanted. So a local committee, after a lot of hard work, saw to it that the bombed site became the children's very own play space. Rubbish was cleared, lean-to huts and motor tyre swings were added, until it became the place of high adventure that it is today. Constructive activities stand or fall by the personality of the play leader, but the popularity and success of the playground cannot now be doubted. It is here, as nowhere else, that the natural inventiveness and constructive abilities of the children are taxed to the full, where it is possible to play the games which come so much more naturally to them than the ones we plan for them. A complete breakaway from tradition, it is only still an experiment, but an apparently successful one.